does this say? Not double stack.
Dude, this thing is massive, man.
I like that.
So while Tyler messes with that,
Basically, while Tyler does the work,
you guys may recall not too long ago we took in a Lamborghini Urus. We got the hooded.
one solid line across the whole hood.
Wow.
Hey, nice to see you. Psych! Wow, it's aggressive as hell.
That looks so plain compared to this now. I love the vents. You have one vent, two vents, and then you got four in the middle. And then you have the aggressive body lines everywhere.
Hey, you know how you have quality carbon components? Even the underside is finished.
And it's clear coated too.
Yep.
That is so nice. I can't wait for us to put this on the Urus. It's gonna be crazy.
You know something cool when you buy stuff that's real?
What?
Not from like Alibaba or, you know, you try to market as OEM or anything like that.
Right.
Bam, authenticity card. That way if somebody's like, bro, that's fake carbon, you can just be like, no, it's not.
That's aggressive, man.
It's aggressive as hell.
Just the way Haywood likes his hoods.
Yes. We're now gonna do the install and hopefully it goes well. We're done with the Vorsteiner Urus hood. I mean, this hood is super aggressive. It looks really freaking mean. And here's a bit of the close-up of the weaving so you guys can see it. I mean, like, just look at the body lines of the hood. Any angle that you look at it from just looks so mean. And let me show you guys what it looks like from the inside, just because the hood is so aggressive. You can see the vents from the driver's seat. So that's gonna be what their view is gonna look like when you're driving. You see this in your face.